Hello everyone, it's Sonlin here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making Croque Monsieur. It's a sandwich invented in France back in 1910, and originally it was ham and Swiss cheese sandwiched between two slices of crustless white bread and then pan-fried in butter. Nowadays, a Croque Monsieur is often topped with bechamel and extra cheese and then toasted under a broiler. A popular variation of Croque Monsieur is Croque Madame, which has a fried egg on top. We are going to make both today, and let's get cooking. As usual, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. Let's start by making some bechamel. I've talked in detail about bechamel sauce in a fairly recent video, so I won't bore you with the same information here again. I will link that video down below for you to check out. Melt butter in a saucepan on medium heat, stir in the flour, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes so the raw taste of the flour goes away. Slowly add cold milk while stirring constantly until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Add a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg and cayenne pepper and about 1/8 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese. Mix until everything is combined and season with salt and pepper. Now set the finished bechamel aside. Let's move on to the sandwich. Traditionally, Croque Monsieur is made with pain de mie, which is a soft French bread, but I like to use sourdough instead because I think the tanginess cuts through the richness of the cheese and bechamel and makes the dish more balanced. Generously butter the bread slices on one side and place 2 of them butter side down on a frying pan. Spread a little bit of Dijon mustard onto each slice and then add the shredded cheese and ham. Finally, put the remaining 2 slices of bread on top with the butter side facing up this time. Cook the sandwich on medium heat for a couple minutes per side or until the bread turns golden brown. Preheat the broiler on high, transfer the sandwiches onto a baking tray and top them with as much bechamel as you like. Leave the sandwiches under the broiler for about 3 minutes or until the sauce becomes bubbly and turns golden brown in spots. You want to monitor closely because bechamel can change from perfectly golden brown to perfectly black brown in seconds, which is what happened to me here. I had the blacklist playing on TV and I was distracted. Anyways, fry an egg and put it on top of one of our sandwiches. Our Croque Monsieur and Croque Madame are done. If you want, you can garnish with some chopped parsleys or chives and enjoy. This sandwich is delicious and hearty. Pair it with a simple leafy green salad and you have one of the most satisfying meals in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe if you haven't. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!